You are about to experience one of the worst storage units we have ever found. Four. Straight ahead, huh?
We just got this open.
All right, are you ready to see?
I'm ready.
Cause like, it's a lot.
Let's just check it out.
But she already opened it. She had to verify. You know, is it looked on?
That's a lot.
All right, let's
That's a lot.
see. But I was hopeful. I was
I
like,
see one thing I'm excited about.
what?
That yellow TV. It does look like a SpongeBob
That
TV.
is the SpongeBob TV.
We have technology.
But like, look at these. And here's the other one right here.
Look at that.
So today it's raining outside.
Yeah.
Not a lot of the furniture is gonna come out today. I'm gonna try to hurdle back there because back on top there are boxes. There are layers of stuff back
And there's
there.
no lights in here.
No.
Okay.
I did see some kind of wicker rattan something right there.
Maybe a Papasan chair.
But so we're gonna get to digging. So we moved those so we could see a little bit more. Yeah, I don't know if this was a catch-all unit.
It's not packed very well.
It is
A
not
lot
packed
of
well.
Stuff.
It's a lot of
in
stuff.
here.
We have not said the price though. Okay. How much did we pay for this?
$10.
$10. That's why I was excited. I was like, we could get our money back right there. There's some 2007 like Air Force One. Did you saw the SpongeBob TV?
SpongeBob TV?
I did see that in there. I just didn't know if it was like that faded plastic color or if it was a yellow TV.
Yeah.
I saw this in the corner. It was like a kid's piano. I don't think they have a resell.
I have no
They
idea.
sell new very well.
Looks like it's missing a leg.
Probably, but I think this was the plush tote. Oh, look at there.
A Care Bear friend.
Care Bear friend. Okay, so we might have some cool stuff. Oh, look
A
at that.
poo blanket.
Look at that. This was not a Papasan chair.
What is that? Oh, it's like a.
Or like it was probably a glass top vanity.
Okay. And at one point.
I mean, there's a good chance it's 5 feet under me right now.
Yeah, you were seriously on some stuff.
All right, here's a big piece of furniture. I'm not digging through mountains of chaos. So, how are we looking back here? Clothes. Clothes. Who's that?
Mickey blanket. Yeah. Look
Just a little
at that.
Mickey throw.
Oh, Mickey. It says love. Cute.
Just a Mickey throw. There's laundry baskets.
All right, you've officially made it to the ceiling.
But not all the way to the back yet. Oh yeah, here's like a fun odds and ends tote. Mountains of clothes.
Yes.
Oh man, didn't expect this.
Is that a marble towel? Sure is. Adventure Team. Marble towel.
That's kind of cool. This looks newer. Yeah, this stuff's all mixed up. That's Black Panther.
Yeah, it's a big mix. Well,
I think we're gonna do really good finding like weird smalls.
I think so too.
I think it's, yeah, we'll come back to you as soon as we get a few pulled out. Okay, so it's already getting warm going through all this stuff. We made our money back right there.
Patagonia hat.
Little Patagonia strap back hat. You looked it up, 25 bucks.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go over every soul comp, just some of the cool stuff that we picked up.
Yeah. Mickey
like that
shirt so
cool-
far.
Mickey graphic. It is on a little bit of an older tag, but still newer. Newer Levi's button-down jacket. Nice denim jacket. Oh, look at that. Who are you thinking about with that right
The
there?
boys.
But then we saw this.
Yep, the marble towel.
And this is something, you know, you either got like free or you redeemed them the Marlboro tickets. So I'm hoping there's going to be more. I'm going to try to get the TV out.
Yeah.
And nothing else crush me. And we might take it right over there and plug it in. These are little...
All right, and then there's a power button. You heard that? That old click?
It turned on.
Look at that.
And guess what? All right, we may be asking for too much.
Volume works. Other buttons work.
Oh, wait. Did I have to switch it over?
AV, DVD. What?
Just thinking about it.
No, I'm going back to saying loading.
Might be something jammed in there. But either way, we have a working SpongeBob
Check
TV.
that out.
The plan is to get this tote out so I can start going through that tote. But look at this. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's broken.
Oh, it looks breakable for sure. What? Look at that rooster. It's broken for sure.
It's broken.
That was real pretty at one point in time.
That was really cool.
Yeah.
That's not going to fall. That's not going to fall. It's resting on the other piece there. I think I can dig out this little hole.
Okay.
So what does that picture say?
It says, an opportunity is never lost. It's just found by someone else. And this feels
This is
really heavy.
Very heavy.
for
She's
just a
going to
frame.
look inside.
I don't know how to...
And these things won't be quiet.
I don't know how to get it off without... There we go.
It's just really
Just
thick.
really thick foam.
And really thick glass. And yeah, a bunch
A
of...
whole bunch of cardboard things behind it. Well, darn.
I thought it was like we found a great
There's
money
stash of
opportunity.
money. Junk.
All right, it looks a little different, and I'm also hoping that nothing falls on me. But we keep finding like crevices of stuff. Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, some Jordans. Are they falling apart?
No,
Like all the other
not.
good shoes?
They're not falling apart. They need to be reshaped, and they're not in bad shape either.
Okay.
I'll hand you that one. It's not a guarantee that we find the second one. Those look like the Griffies. That one is a Nike shoe. But are you noticing? Is this a real apple?
There's-
Oh, it's a fake.
I'll say there's no way that a real
Oh.
Apple... Is that an Xbox
An
controller?
Xbox
Is it legit?
controller. Yeah, the batteries are still intact. This has got me on an emotional roller coaster. I don't know what to think. Because just like I told you,
Joysticks seem pretty good too.
there's no more shoes in here.
Okay, so no matches to the two we
For
found.
the potential good shoes.
That looks
So-
dangerous.
Yes, the shoes were not in there, but we still have this one, this one, this one, under this one.
More glass at your
That-
feet. Be
that
careful.
Where?
Sticking out of that blue tip. Yep.
So gloves. I'll need gloves. I don't know. It's a bit jumbled. Everything is a little different in here. This may have been a combined unit. We'll see.
I want to know if there's anything in that
And this.
that says beer money.
Well,
Looks like they drank it all.
They drank it all. Another little teapot. Cool little knickknack. But like a dragon lamp.
Bunch of tchotchke stuff
Yeah. But even like the look of this stuff doesn't
go together.
match everything else in the old Coca-Cola bottle. Oh, made to look like it. 75th anniversary. Bunch of bags that had something in them at one time. Some dolls, bears. I mean, I will look in more detail a little bit later, but as for right now...
Nothing good? What in the world?
Vino de... I don't know what that says. Alright, so that was the end of the video for day 1. But that bottle restored a little bit. If you couldn't tell, my positive attitude was kind of going downhill. But that bottle, it's like a rare vampire-styled wine bottle. I have it listed for $180 with 2 watchers on it. I had to find it on WorthPoint, but that thing sells for some good money, which got me to go back for day 2. All right, got a suitcase. It's been day 2, and you haven't got to see everything, but we're gonna let Rebecca do this because we heard some jingling. So we're gonna see. Yeah, there's this pocket that's there. I don't know how you...
Must be inside.
Yeah. All right, let's see the big reveal. It's gonna be exciting, or... Okay.
Oh, wow.
All right. I see a dime, so...
Well, that's more
we got
than
some
had.
money. So what got thrown?
Oh, there's gonna be some treasures up in here.
Parrot translator. Okay.
Okay.
This is what was making all the noise. Huh. Any old phones? I don't know. You know, because the easiest thing is if we don't find anything, we can zip it right back up.
That's right.
It'll be in the trash pile. Some cheapo sunglasses up under the paperwork. Watch batteries. Boo. Yeah, the headphones are no good. Oh well. Thought it was going to be better than that. Not everything that jingles is a bunch of money. Hey, I'll get the dime out. There we go.
Please do. Thank you.
Nothing amazing, but a few good things. It's Pier 1. Like, it's a wood and metal pig's little rack. Jim Shore. 3 little pigs. That was pretty cool. I have seen these do very well. The Boney Bunch. Little candle holders. Some extension cords. Some good old pictures. An ephemera lot. This is a Reebok Baltimore Ravens sweatshirt. Old vintage Mickey. So, we're finding some stuff. Got some good stuff to donate as well. All these, and we're bagging up clothes now. And then, eventually, we'll try to get some of this furniture out. We've been here for 40 minutes. Actually working on it, as you can see. We're making a mess.
Made a dent.
Making a dent. But definitely had to turn the camera on when you find stuff like this. That's a shame. Yeah, so it's pretty much where I stopped recording after day 2, and I'll quickly cover with you all of the red flags I experienced in this. But first time finding an urn laying there that belonged to a family that didn't match the other content of this storage unit. That was a huge red flag that I didn't really show in the video, but I found 2 different photographs of different families, different boxes. The home decor was totally different. At the very beginning of the video, this young lady takes a lock off and there's no auction tag on there, which was the first thing that I noticed. But then she goes, yeah, we were just in here yesterday. So, lo and behold, after going through all of this, and thank you so much to Rebecca for helping out. My wife came the first day. We went through every single tote. I tried to go through every square inch of that. We did donate about a truckload of things to a local thrift store that were still in good shape. But I said, we're done. I quit on this unit. It was a $100 cleaning deposit. They could keep it. I was only $110 invested. But it just kind of beat me down. I was just like, man, this auction, I probably won't be going back to this facility, safe to say. But to just have this unit that I can tell people have already gone through. The video game stuff. I found a PS4 game and an Xbox 360 controller. So, didn't find anything else out of the whole unit. I found all those shoes, the Jordans, everything. One shoe. Going through that entire unit, and it was tough to go through. It really was. But it was 2 different living room sets that were pretty beat up, pretty tough to do anything with. But hey, $110, I'm not totally upset, because let me quickly give you a rundown on the good money that we made, because we did find some more stuff. Didn't turn the camera on, very sorry about that, but it was just kind of like, let's go through this stuff. Let's throw all the other stuff back in here, take what we can sell, and get on out. And I did. I went by the office, and they did end up telling me, oh yeah, people have been through that unit before. They had re-auctioned it to me. I was just kind of done with it, but wanted to get this video out. If you can't tell, I'm a little congested. Been working on just feeling better so we can get this video out there. But yes, let me show you how we still made a ton of money. I mean, when we sell that SpongeBob TV, yeah, that one right there, yeah. But in all the other stuff that has sold, we still did pretty good on this unit. Hey, but thanks again for watching. Hope you learned something great about this. It's never fun finding, somebody's like remains from their family member, but also what to look out for so that you don't get, kind of sucked into this auction thing because you think it's just going to be, these incredible finds and finding hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of things. These are some good things to look out for. So that you can kind of find and buy the best storage units in the best facilities that aren't going to try to, rip you off. So we still did okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you for hanging out at this point in time. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers. So we can't wait to get there. We can't wait to share more of this incredible content with you. We'll see you again next time. Bye.